Hey, this is Elgin from the Crackcast Plus Podcast, back with another Wrestling Wednesday video here on YouTube. Today we're going to be taking a look at something a little different than normal wrestling figures here on Wednesday. We're looking at an accessory this time. That's right, it's the wrestling, what is this? Commentator Playset, the ultimate Commentator Playset. We'll take a look at that in just a second. Alright, we're back. We got the box opened, and before we take a look what's inside the actual box, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you know when a video like this comes out, which will be on a Wednesday for Wrestling Wednesday. Be sure to go to our website, www.crackcastplus.com. The website's the place to go for all the things you need to know, like links to our social media, our podcast, which comes out every other Tuesday. Download wherever you listen to podcasts. Our sponsor, Toy Hacks, at toyhacks.com. Every month we have a caption contest that gives away a $5 coupon to Toy Hacks. So be sure to comment so you can win $5 to Toy Hacks. For all your retro label needs, go to toyhacks.com. We also have Amazon wish lists. Be sure to check out all of those, and if you felt so generous as to get us something from that wish list, then we would do a video like this, give you a shout out and say thank you, and show everyone what you got us. Of course, there's no pressure to do that, but if you wanted to, that would be awesome. We'd very much appreciate it. So check that out at Amazon.com. And we have merch, bios, much more, which can be found at www.cracktasticplastic.com. All right. So, like I said before, this is something a little different than a normal figure that we do. This time, I got this for my birthday from my brother Court. Shout out to my brother Court. Check him out on social media. He's got his own stuff out there. Anyway, so shout out to him. He got this for me. It was on my Amazon wish list. Wink, wink. You can also have a shout out. I'll probably do a better shout out than that in their own video, maybe. If I do, it's great. Anyway, I found this commentator box. This was at Figures, from Figures Toy Company. Figures Toy Company. They are a wrestling superstore, and they have tons of other stuff on there. But one of the things that caught my eye was kind of a commentator table. So I added that to my list, and he picked it up for me. So inside there's a couple of boxes here and here, that over there, and of course you get this piece here and this piece. I'm guessing this is part of the commentary table. This piece, this piece, these two pieces. And what else? Get a couple of monitors, little TV monitors. That's cool. Here's the other one. So each announcer can have their own monitor. And get some instructions, hopefully. Oh yeah, it's pretty easy instructions. You can see those. Set those over here. Of course, we get some giant microphones. I don't know if they're fit in the hand. They probably fit in the hands of elite figures. There's two of those. Pretty good microphones. They look pretty decent. And a couple of headsets. That's it for the box. They're gold in color. So that's cool. Kind of like gamer headsets, but headsets with microphones. That's cool. Set those over there. What's in the box? Let's wait for that. We'll try to put this together. This commenter table. Okay, step one, get the two sides and that big piece. These two sides and this piece. These two. Alright, so it goes this. Let's see if we can do this without dropping everything. That'd be a first. Oh, they just slide in there, I see. There. Slides in there. There's that. And those two pieces. Those two pieces slide in the top. Maybe. Come on. There we go. Probably should have put them together first. Oops, I'm supposed to assemble the other one. I assembled these together. Those. I'm guessing this is supposed to be like a breakaway commentator table. And those get in there. There we go. Okay, and oh, the top part goes here. There we go. Now you got a commentator table. Pretty cool. All right. Let's set this over here. Maybe the TVs can go in there. They don't really fit in there. They're too big. Have a little TV in there. All right. I guess these are the chairs. I was like, where's the chairs at? Okay. Oh, this is cool. Pretty heavy. That's just a thick piece of plastic. It doesn't even swivels. Ugh. That's cool. That swivels. Kind of. It's pretty. Yeah, that's cool. That's one of them. It's the other chair. Ugh. Tough to get in there. Yeah, pretty giant looking. But yeah, you get two chairs, a commentator table, 2 microphones, and 2 headsets. This is at Wrestling Toy. What's it called? Figures Toy Company. Figures Toy Company. You can find them on Amazon, basically. They got a bunch of different stuff you can get. They have, like, if you want to do like a extreme championship wrestling type stuff, they get a bunch of barbed wire and like bats covered in barbed wire, and they have a bell and a suitcase and a table covered with barbed wire and ladders and chairs and championship belts and rings and coffins and figures too. They have some figures. They have like announcer, referees, and stuff like that. So check them out. And shout out to my brother Court for picking this up for me. And looks like it's gone dark again. Anyway, that's pretty much it for the video. Like I said, you basically get a chair, a couple chairs like this, which are very detailed and pretty heavy duty. It's pretty thick plastic. Then you get the commentary table, put some TVs there, a couple of these headsets, and some microphones, some instructions that you probably don't really need. Do I have any wrestling figures? Now the question is, do I have any wrestling figures available here in my box, in my Thrill of the Hunt box? We got Sarge. I get The Rock as well, I guess. But let's see if Sarge can fit in the chair here. So there's him in the chair. He fits. So this is an elite figure. The elite figures will fit in these chairs. And the headphones, a little big, but he can kind of wear them. The microphones are huge. But yeah, he could commentate if he wanted to. Sitting on his chair, little business chair. There he is. And then you could put the table. And there, now he's at a table. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So, yeah. If you want to find these, they're on Amazon. So check them out. I might have to glue these seats together. So they're not wanting to stay. They just have a single pin and they just slide in. So I might have to eventually glue them if they keep falling apart like they're wanting to do. There they are. Kind of a long video, but there's a lot of stuff in this. So elite figures can't fit in them, so check that out. If you have some elite figures and you want maybe like Macho Man, or if you have a Gorilla Monsoon, or if you have a Jesse Ventura. I don't know if they have a lot of Jesse Ventura elite figures. Who else? Jerry the King Lawler. If you have a figure of him and you want him on the booth. And Vince McMahon, you can put him back there. Anyway, anyone really could be an announcer. So check that out if you want to. That's the table saying that's the commentator table saying see you later. I'm saying ciao for now.